Hi team. I recently flew from San Francisco to Incheon and Incheon to Singapore, which is where I am now. And I did promise I'd go through the amenity kit for business class, which I have right here. So let's dig into it. They give you some pretty interesting stuff. Some of it makes sense, some of it not so much. But one of the really cool things about Korean Airlines is they stock the bathrooms. So usually if I've got a layover in Incheon, I stay at the Terminal 2 Transit Hotel because I'm almost always flying Korean. The Transit Hotel doesn't provide any amenities. So grab what you can get on the plane and put it in your amenity kit, and then you'll have something in the Transit Hotel. So let's take a look and see what's in this package here. So to start, we've got this interesting bag with some facial creams. So I'll open that up. There is a body lotion, some kind of a cologne thing. I don't know if I'm not too good at this, so there we go. Then there's a little card talking about what it is, and some hand cream, which I guess could be useful, and then lip balm, which is kind of a nice idea. So we also have the eye, the eye patch thing. I can never sleep with these, but some people love them. I actually use this all the time. This is the comb brush sort of foldy thing. There's actually one on my counter at home. They're great. And then toothpaste and toothbrush, and a shoehorn, because a lot of people don't know this, but when you're at altitude, your feet expand. So sometimes it's hard to get them back into your shoes, and that's the thinking there. So what I grabbed from the bathroom are shavers. So this is the shaver that we typically see. They're not awesome. It's gonna hurt, but hey, they're there. And then there's also a whole bunch of shaving creams. So I usually grab some of these just because, even when I have a good shaver, this stuff is great. So it is Bee Spa shaving cream. So the other thing that they put in the bathrooms, which a lot of people appreciate, is mouthwash. So each one of these is like a thing of Listerine. So I've found it to be good to have. So I grab a bunch of these, and then of course there's in the bathrooms there's a toothbrush. I usually grab one or two extra because I don't know how long I'm going to be on the road. Good to have spares, and also good to have one in case one of the kids or Sherry Ann forgets. So in a nutshell, that is the amenity kit. Thank you, Korean Airlines, because it really, I think, makes a difference in the quality of travel. So with that, I'm going to close this up. If you found this interesting, hit the like button. I'd really appreciate it. Thank you.